Hi, little heroes! Today we're doing a power balance challenge. Strong poses, calm, focus. Face each other and gently hold one hand. Now slowly lean forward and lift your back legs behind you. Take a slow breath in. Stretch your arms and legs even longer. Now breathe out slowly. Airplanes don't rush when they fly. They glide smoothly and steadily through the air. Stay balanced and keep flying. Stand close together and slowly lift your inside legs into tree pose. Press your palms together between you. Imagine your two tall trees growing next to each other in the same peaceful forest. Take a slow breath in. Feel your standing foot pressing into the ground like strong roots. Now breathe out slowly. Lift your chest tall and keep your balance calm. Grow taller like a tree, reaching for the sunlight. Stand back to back and slowly bend your knees together. Lower your bodies carefully into chair pose. Feel your backs gently supporting each other. Imagine you're sitting on a strong, invisible bench made of teamwork. Take a slow breath in. Lift your chest tall and keep your spine long. Now breathe out slowly and sink a tiny bit deeper. Feel your legs working and growing stronger, like powerful springs underneath you. Stay steady and breathe calmly. Step one foot forward into a strong lunge, facing each other. Hold both hands gently for balance. Take a slow breath in. Grow taller through your chest and spine. Imagine your two explorers climbing higher up a mountain trail together. Now breathe out slowly. Feel your legs working to keep you steady and strong. Your front leg is like a sturdy rock. Your back leg stretches long behind you. Stay tall and balanced like brave adventurers. Turn to the side and place one hand on the floor. Lift your hips up into side plank. Reach your top hands toward each other. Imagine your two strong bridges stretching across a river. Take a slow breath in. Press the floor away through your arm. Now breathe out slowly. Lift your hips just a little higher. Strong bridges stay lifted and steady. Feel your arms and core working together. Stand, facing each other and hold hands. Now slowly lift one knee up in front of you. Imagine your two flamingos standing quietly in a calm lake. Take a slow breath in. Grow tall through your spine. Now breathe out slowly. Flamingos balance by moving slowly and staying calm. If your body wobbles, that's okay. Just focus your eyes and try again. Switch legs slowly and stay steady. Face each other and hold both hands. Now step one foot slightly behind the other and lean back gently. Your bodies create one long diagonal line between you. Take a slow breath in. Feel the connection through your arms. Now breathe out slowly. Imagine your two climbers connected by a strong rope. Each climber helps the other stay balanced. Stay calm and steady right in the middle. Stand back to back again and gently connect your shoulders. Now slowly lift one foot slightly off the ground. Imagine your two tall towers helping each other stay upright. Take a slow breath in. Lift your chest and grow taller. Now breathe out slowly. Feel how your partner helps keep the tower steady. If one tower leans too much, both feel it. So move slowly and stay balanced together. Face each other and hold one hand for support. Now slowly lift one leg high behind you. Your body becomes long like a kite rising into the sky. Take a slow breath in. Stretch through your chest and arms. Now breathe out slowly. Feel the stretch through the back of your legs. Your partner helps the kite stay steady in the wind. Switch sides slowly and move with control. Stand side by side and step your feet wide apart. Lift your arms high and stretch your fingers wide. Imagine your two bright stars shining in the same night sky. Take a slow breath in. Grow taller through your body. Now breathe out slowly. Feel the strength in your legs and the openness in your chest. Stars don't wobble in the sky. They shine strong and steady. Hold your star balance. Sit back to back on the floor and press your backs gently together. Now slowly lift both legs forward. Your bodies balance together using strong cores. Imagine your two rockets preparing for launch. Take a slow breath in. Feel your tummy muscles helping you stay steady. Now breathe out slowly. Rockets lift slowly and carefully before they blast off. Hold your balance and lower slowly together. Sit facing each other and stretch your legs forward. Lean back just a little and connect one hand with your partner. Now gently twist your bodies to the side. Take a slow breath in. Feel your spine growing tall and strong. Now breathe out slowly and twist a little deeper. Imagine your two explorers turning to look at a beautiful view from the top of a mountain. Stay tall and breathe calmly together. Lie down on your backs, facing each other. Bend your knees and place your feet on the floor. Now press your feet gently against your partner's feet. Slowly lift your hips up into a bridge. Take a slow breath in. Feel your legs and glutes getting strong. Now breathe out slowly and lift your hips just a little higher. Imagine you're building two strong rainbow bridges rising up from the ground. Hold the bridge and stay balanced together. Stand side by side and lift your inside arms overhead. Connect your hands above you. Now slowly lean your bodies away from each other. Take a slow breath in. Stretch tall through your arms and fingertips. Now breathe out slowly and lean a little deeper. Imagine your two tall palm trees gently bending in the warm ocean breeze. Feel the stretch along the side of your body. Stay steady and breathe slowly. Face each other and hold both hands. Now slowly lift your outside legs to the side. Your legs and arms create a diamond shape between you. Take a slow breath in. Grow taller through your spine. Now breathe out slowly. Diamonds are strong and steady. Keep your balance calm and controlled. Hold your diamond shape together. Stand side by side and lift your arms high overhead. Open your chest proudly and stand tall. Take one big, slow breath in. Feel your body growing strong and steady, just like a superhero finishing an important mission. Now breathe out slowly. Think about all the poses you just did together. You balanced. You stayed focused. You helped each other stay steady. Your body worked hard, and your balance became stronger with every pose. Take another deep breath in. Reach your arms even higher toward the sky. And slowly breathe out. Hold your victory pose proudly. You completed the Power Balance Challenge strong, steady, and unstoppable.